My name is Rakich and I am a roof plumber. Been a roof plumber for 15 years. Funnily enough, I got in contact with a friend and I said, any ideas of something new that I could do? And he actually said to me that get into gutters, and I went, I'll give it a crack, and 15 years later I'm still here. To date, my most rewarding project would actually be the Sealy job that we went on. It was probably about 6 or 7 years ago, and that was a 5-month project where anything to do with roof plumbing was pretty much on that, and at the end of it, it was pretty rewarding looking at the job and moving off from it. We use all ColourBond products, and we use all the best silicons as well. We use all the best suppliers. ColourBond is obviously the best out there. We make sure that our clients, we treat them with respect. We know that they just want a good product at the end of the day. Yeah, we're always looking at the latest tools that we can use, and also our ColourBond products that we use. That's pretty much the only thing that really changes in the industry. So a tip I always give to my clients is to make sure that they keep their gutters clean, especially just after summer, to make sure that when the rains start to come through, that they're nice and clean. Once we've actually put new gutters onto your home, it doesn't take long. The dirt and the leaves don't tend to stick too well, so you just need to really spray them out every 3 to 4 months. And yeah, been a sponsor of the local football club. Anyone that needs help around the area, try to help them out as quickly as possible to get them through their drama. If anyone needs to find me, they can find me at www.integralroofing.com.au or 043 8844 991, and I've always got my phone on me.